Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed my channel, press the subscribe button to never miss any important update regarding any cosmetic product that arrives in the market, and press the bell icon to get recent updates of all my videos that arrive in the market. So friends, today I'm going to review probably the most anticipated sunscreen, Centella Green Level Safe Sun SPF 50 plus. This sunscreen is probably the most anticipated sunscreen in the market, and it is marketed by Purito company, and you can see the box packaging. It comes in a cardboard box packaging. I'll tell you the highlights of the sunscreen that sunscreen is probably based on. It is SPF plus 50 AA plus. It is calming and moisturizing. It is non-sticky. It has safe ingredients. It has UV shield. These are all the ingredients that have been used to make the sunscreen. So let us go ahead and understand the ingredients. It is a water based sunscreen, and it is a safe sunscreen. It is completely water based. So water is the major ingredient that they have added. The second most important ingredient is glycerin. Glycerin moisturizes your skin naturally and keeps your skin healthy. So this is the second important ingredient they have added. So it is a good ingredient. The third important most ingredient is niacinamide. Niacinamide is vitamin B6, and it is very good for your skin, keeping your skin healthy, supple and anti-aging. Centella asiatica extract is also a good extract that keeps UVA away and keeping your skin healthy and glowing. So probably this is a nice ingredient as well. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an anti-aging ingredient and reduces fine lines and wrinkles. A very good ingredient as well. Tocopherol acetate is another name of vitamin E. Vitamin E moisturizes your skin and keeps your skin supple and smooth. So probably nice ingredient as well. So another ingredient is lavender oil. Lavender oil is a good anti-aging and calming agent. It calms your skin and gives you a very calming and very numbing feeling that your skin is very calm and very relaxed. So this sunscreen is specially based on all the natural ingredients preventing UVA and UVB rays, and it is PA triple plus sunscreen. So probably the most probably the only sunscreen in the market that has natural ingredients that prevents UVA and UVB. So it is a physical sunscreen and it reflects UV rays, so probably keeping you away from tan when you visit any place outside your home, that is, you know, when you visit anywhere outside, so it keeps you away from tan and reduces tanning in sun. So you probably don't get tanned by the sunscreen. So probably a good sunscreen with good ingredients. So you must be thinking, should you be buying this sunscreen or not? If you surely get a chance, you can surely buy this sunscreen, and you better remember this is not a waterproof sunscreen. So you have to stay away from beaches or swimming pools, or you cannot apply the sunscreen while you're going on a pool. So this is not a waterproof sunscreen. If you're going anywhere outside that is not watery, you can surely, and I would surely recommend you to buy this sunscreen. Thank you for today.